What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to import Photon.sol wallet to Phantom. So you might be wondering how to exactly do this. So this one can be kind of complicated because you need to basically have saved your details before. Now, we all know that saving your private keys is something really important if you want to recover your account. So that goes the same with Photon.sol here. Now, in order for you to connect your wallet from Photon.sol here to Phantom Wallet, you need to have your private keys. Now, if you don't have your private keys here, well, in this case, you need to generate a new wallet in order for you to connect so or do so. So, in this case, just to give you an idea, we are currently in Photon.sol here, and we are in our wallet. Now, in our wallet, we want to go and click on Generate Wallet here. Let's go and click on Generate here to basically see what we could get. Now, from here on, you could go and just slide on this one to see your private key. Again, saving your private keys is really important here, so go and just slide on it and copy it. Now, once you've copied it, you could go and just click on the I already saved it. And once you've done that, what we need to do is we want to go and access our Phantom Wallet. Now, in our Phantom Wallet, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and just basically click on the option that you see that your account at the top left. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, just click on the plus button that says add or / connect wallet. Now, from here, you could go and choose your appropriate one here. Since we have a private key, you go and click on import private key and just add the name for this. So, for example, I just add Photon.sol wallet. In this case, you could go ahead and basically just enter your private key here and click on import. As you can see, it is accepted. You can go and click on import. And as you can see, we just connected our account. But yeah, so this one is kind of simple. Again, still kind of complicated because you need to basically get, or you need to have a copy of your private key in order for you to do this. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.